Okay, I'm making this video so that people who aren't aware, there was a change in macOS Mojave where the old method, which used to be you could use, say, Soundflower to create a multi-output device with your audio interface, and then you could open up Quicktime and select a new screen recording, and then that option isn't even open anymore. And then you would open it up here, and then from the drop down menu you would select the Soundflower, but it's not available anymore because of an update in macOS Mojave. It worked in the first version of Mojave, but it doesn't work now, and that's because now macOS has this screenshot utility, which appears to actually just use the sound card directly. So I'm not having to use Soundflower anymore. I'm just recording the output of the Apollo interface. It's a UA audio. So basically, it'll record the output of the DAW, and it'll also record the output of the UA console. So I can put effects and stuff on my voice, and a bit of compression, a bit of tape emulation. So it seems to me like you don't actually, it used to be that you needed to go in to your audio MIDI, create a multi-output device, have Soundflower and the audio interface on it. This doesn't work anymore. Now it seems like all you need is the screenshot app, which is in your applications folder, and in the options there's an option to select your audio interface, and you just select that and it appears to just work. For a moment when I tried it today, I thought, okay, they've broken something and Soundflower doesn't work anymore, but it seems like it's not actually necessary anymore. So hopefully that helps someone. Cheers.